Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here is Dr. Fahad. Today we will discuss about the removable orthodontic appliances.
So first we will make the Adam class fabrication. These are the instruments. The instruments flyer. This is the round flyer. This is the plate flyer, and this is the Adam flyer, and the cutter, and this is the stainless wire, 0.7 mm, and pencil along with scale, and this is the model. So we will first of all we will mark the position. We will mark the position. This is the mesial, and this is the distal undercut. So first step is to mark in the second step we will just deep these undercut just 1 mm. We will just deep it like this. We will cut the wire 0.7 stainless steel wire by the cutter. We will just straight it. We will make first at the mid portion a 90 angle bend. A 90 angle bend. This is a 90 angle bend, and now we will take our model and we will check with this. Here we will make another mark. Check the length of the bridge against the model, so it is looking perfect. These are the lines, and this is 3 mm. It depends on the crown of the length. Length of the crown, and mark these two positions like this. Now make the first bend like this. To make the arrow, so you will make like this. This is the first arrow. Like this, and you will do like this. These are the two heads, and now round like this, and this like this. Now we will use the tip of the Adam plier like this, and one like this. make 1 mm or 2 mm take toward the pellet like this. It is even take is easy, so 1 mm take or 2 mm take like this toward, and now it is completed. It is not touching the occlusal surfaces. Now you can see it is little toward this side, but it is looking perfect like this. This is the item class. So when we will make to